Hey y'all, today I am going to be making the viral chicken Alfredo bread, but instead of using chicken, I am going to use ribeye steak. Now let's get into it. Let's season these babies up. Drizzle a little olive oil. And we're going to season them on both sides. Tenders, Buttery Steakhouse. Garlic and Parmesan. Kinder's prime steak. Kinder's all-purpose. Your salt. You just press it in, flip it over, and season that side too. Add a little olive oil to your hot skillet. A little bit of butter. I'm going to butter this lovely Italian bread with some garlic basil Parmesan butter. Put them in the oven for a few minutes and get them a little toasty or the butter melted because they're going to go back in. Okay, and to mine I'm just going to add some portobello mushrooms, so I'm going to roughly chop these. Okay, so now that my steaks are resting, I'm just going to add these mushrooms right to the same skillet. Saute them a little bit. I'm also going to add some spinach. While my pan's getting hot for my Alfredo, I'm going to slice up the steak. Okay, now let's add a half a stick of butter. We're going to add some heavy whipping cream. My son said to make extra sauce, so that's what I'm going to do. This is garlic and fine herbs. Yep, the whole thing. Garlic. Yep, that much. Garlic powder. Some white pepper. Add some grated Parmesan cheese. Okay guys, so you want your sauce to be nice and thick like this. Alright, so now it's time to assemble the bread. Okay guys, so I must confess I did forget, but I did shred a block of the polio mozzarella cheese. And here it is. So now let's get to assembling. And I just want to mention that the bread is, see, it's a little toasty because you don't want it to be soggy, the Alfredo cheese, sorry. So let's go ahead and get this on here. Now I have 2 more of these to dress up. Now my sister sent me this recipe and I did try it with the chicken and it was wonderful. Family loved it, but I just wanted to add a little different twist by adding the spinach and the mushrooms, and the steak this time, opposed to using the chicken. These folks some veggies. Okay, some Parmesan. Steak. Drizzle. Mozzarella. We're going to put these in the oven until they're nice and bubbly. And this okay guys, this is what it looks like. Mmm. That is simply delicious. This is very good with the steak as well. So you guys give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. To you.